Hey guys, it's Father's Day. Let's go see what the old man's up to. We are fourth generation gearheads. Great Grandpa Fred Dog started it all.
Grandpa Paul has the hot rod shop, and then there's our cash flow. Old man, the best part, the stars of the show, yours truly,
Bud,
and E. And don't forget our trusty house wolf, Little Cuz, and Big Boy.
welcome to...
Drain Plug Garage.
Let's get back to the build. This is our family's 46 Chevy Truck.
It's been parked in the barn for at least 40 years, just trying to rust in peace, until we came along.
We tore it down to see how much of Dad's retirement's gonna cost.
Picked up a 5.3 from a junkyard, hit it with a butter rebuild, and
Go fast gold.
Gold!
Then we added an EFI system, Turbo 350, stuffed it back in the rails, and now we have to make it all work. Trying to find iron gear to fit your brother's head. Iron gear, welding gear.
Hello, citizen.
Look at that. You gotta grow into that, buddy. This welding game, it's not really a game. You can get hurt, you can get burnt. You get some sparks in your face, down your neck. You don't really make kids welding gear.
No, they do not.
So, probably means we shouldn't be doing it.
Yeah, but we're doing it anyways.
Just get into the mindset that everything here is hot. And you don't want to touch it.
Hello, Huff Wolf.
Mustang gas tank, EFI, baffled.
Okay, old man. Let us talk. No one wants to hear you stutter. We'll take it from here.
Most of the old truck gas tanks were in the cabs.
That's not gonna work for us.
So today we are going to finish up the new gas tank frame.
We're gonna put it under the bed where it belongs.
A while back, we picked up a Mustang EFI rated gas tank.
We stuck some tubing and tabs and fabbed up a frame.
Today we need to finish up the welds.
And spray a little paint. You look like a scientist. Like some super scientist that's sussing out some hot.
Guys, this reminds me from our first video where you asked me to sort out all the junk.
Yeah, that's where we took. And then we got your motor. 9-year-old with an LS. Where are we going to put that?
And hopefully the 55 Chevy.
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
Are you ready to weld?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that was so much better.
Good one, buddy. Yeah, you were welding for a long time. Nice job. Here. You're going to want that. That'll protect the back of your head.
It barely fits it all either.
No, but the last time you didn't like it. Remember?
Yeah.
You got metal. He's got metal in his head.
I
Back
can't
here.
see at all.
So the strap kind of hurts.
Yeah, but I cannot see at all.
Well, yeah, that's the point. We can do this edge right here. You could practice on this one that's all buggered up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking hot. Woo! That's hot! See? What did I say? Get into the mindset that everything here is hot. Here is hot. Here is hot. Not bad.
Oh.
Ooh, a little high, a little high. You had enough?
Yeah.
What about you, Monkey?
Yes.
You had enough? How about I finish this up and grind it clean, and then you guys come down and paint it?
Sure.
Want to paint it? Squeeze hard. There you go. That was a good one there. There you go. Yeah, that was a good run. Good, buddy. Go all the way down. Oh yeah. Smooth. That was a good one. Put the tank in?
Put the tank in.
Throw that in.
It still fits. We don't warp it too bad. Yeah, guys. You guys made that.
Yep.
That was pipes and tabs.
Ooh, shiny. See you next time, citizen.
Subscribe, like, and tickle that bell icon for more videos. Bye.
Bye,
Later.
guys.